Hi, I'm George, TSG's HPI Product Manager. If you haven't already, be sure to view the Search Overview video, which goes over some of the basics of HPI search. In this short demo, I'm going to walk through HPI's options when it comes to the search results. So here we are on the Control Docs track, and I've searched for quality documents, and I might list of results that comes back in a table. Now, in the table view, the admin has the ability to choose which fields come back in the search, and not only which ones come back, but also which ones come back in what order, and which ones are hidden and which ones are visible. The admin sets that default, but the user can make their own decisions of how they want to view this table. So maybe if status is really important to me, I can move that up here. And let's say approve date doesn't really interest me that much, I can take that out. But maybe title is very important to me, so I can add title in and drag it over here. We can also change the widths of the columns, so I can go ahead and make this smaller because I know version labels can be pretty small and maybe title can get pretty long. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now HPI is going to remember my personal settings. So the next time I execute a search, it's not only going to remember which fields I have visible, but it's also going to remember the order and the width of the fields as I have them set here. Now this works great for document-centric searching, but what if you're searching on more digital asset type things like images, for example? So I'm going to head over to our incident track, and we have an example here where I'm going to search for case documents, and I'm going to search for them in what we call grid view. So I'm going to do my search, and now when these results come back, they come back in a little bit more user-friendly way when I'm looking for images. So instead of that table, I have a little thumbnail of the different images, and I can execute actions on them, and the administrator can configure which field should show up below the image as far as metadata that might be helpful for the user. Now I can also combine the two. So here I've done this search in grid view, but I can also use this switcher up here to switch it back to table view and kind of go between the two however I like. Well, that's it for this short demo. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other HPI search videos, and for more information, head over to our website at tsgrp.com.